You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it. I'm going to check out the Favorite Day Witches Brew Slime Punch. It is lime-flavored edible slime drink mix. Glows under black light when prepared with tonic water, which I have, surprisingly enough, off on the side. And you get this nice big juggy-looking container. It looks like a cauldron. It's got to be at least 8 inches across. The top maybe 6, and it probably stands about 6 inches. Glows under black light when prepared with tonic water, again. And it's got these color schemes like on the other ones we saw. It's this stripes, but this is black to gray all the way through. There's nutritional information. I do like that you get the cauldron. This will stay in the collection, of course. It is plastic. You're not cooking anything in it. Let's peek inside. There's a bag in there. Let's see. Important, to make slime drink glow under black light, prepare with tonic water. Wash cauldron with warm soapy water before beginning. 2. Stir entire contents of drink mix pouch and 9 cups cold water, or tonic water, in cauldron until mixed to dissolve. Refrigerate 1 hour before serving. Refrigerate longer, up to 4 hours, if thicker consistency is desired. I'm not sure what I'm desiring. Maybe I'm desiring like 2.5 hours. What would you desire in your slime cauldron? Okay, so this just comes off. Tape on the bottom, 2 pieces, and I think it should just slide. It does. Okay, so all of that, and what you get inside is this big packet of mix. Now, looking at the picture, I was thinking, they show eyeballs, which I showed in another video, similar ones, and then these cool striped straws with a spider and gummy worms. So those are all things you can add into it. It really just looks like this. Just a cauldron of slime. Well, I still have some eyeballs from a previous video. And then I don't think I have any other gummy products. I do have the straws. Those gummy straws. Well, let me go wash this, and then I will come back, and then we will make the slime. All right, so I'm trying to make this a little more thematic because, I don't know, make it a little more exciting. I've got this. This is what I'm going to use to mix. It's a spatula, but I thought that was pretty cool. And the 2 cups, well, I was missing an eyeball. I went through the bin. I could not find the missing eyeball. Maybe it's in another bin or somewhere else and I didn't realize it. Do we have any fizz left in this tonic water? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, 9 cups. Cold. There's still some fizz. A little bit more for the 2. I have a backup bottle, just in case there isn't enough. 2. Four. It's going to be almost the whole 2 liter. 6. All right, well, there we are. I got to go grab the other one. They should have just said a 2 liter full. Let's see if we can get the 9. Okay, so I just need 2 cups. Let me go get that. That one had no fizz. That's why I grabbed the other one first. All right, let me get this in here. I'm going to move my other cups out of the way, and then I'm going to get the camera a little bit better for the mixing part. I wonder if we should just do it in the black light. Now let me get started in that. I'll have the black light ready. Black light. The black light ready. I will be back. Okay, you can see the black light is on already, and it's having an effect. It looks blue. So let me turn it off so we can see how green this is. Black light disengaged. There we go. It does look like lime and smell like lime. Let us stir, Frankenstein. Ooh, I'm making a potion. So stir until it's dissolved. It's a very solid lime green color. It already feels as though it's getting thicker. Thicker. I have a little ladle here from a recent video. Yeah, it feels that. It smells like a lime jello, and it feels as though I'm mixing a lime jello. I still hear little crusties on the bottom. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Okay. Me good. Me good, LPS Dave. Yes, my potion is making me talk like Frankenstein. Alright, let's do this. Let's just turn this off. On, I mean. Black light engaged. It didn't change colors. I'll do a brief intermission here. Turn off the lights and we'll see what it looks like as it glows. Okay. Now, it's not technically glowing because I'm using the black light. And look at my nail. Wow, they look great. Now, will it glow if I turn off the black light? Let's just see if it does anything. It's been charged not very long, but... Okay, so it doesn't glow. Not yet. I think the mixing... I've accomplished the mixing. So I'm going to now put this in the refrigerator. Let's see if it thickens up. I kind of have an idea, like on his face, it falls off right away, so it's not slime, but ooh, tapping the cauldron. I will be back. Maybe an hour, maybe two. All right, so I waited about an hour and a half because I just felt that was a good time. Over an hour, less than 4. And I just want to take Frankenstein and see. I can tell that it is definitely slimier. Remember when I first did it, you couldn't even get any to stay on the spatula. So now, look at that. It's a slimy drink. I should have had a paper towel or a plate off to the side. Now I did grab a ladle. I didn't have a Halloween ladle or anything that would match a pot like this, so I just grabbed a regular ladle like this, and I'm going to scoop some in and give it a try. It's a unique sound pouring in. That's pretty cool. And now, here, let me put that off to the side. I got some eyeballs because I think it needs it. It needs something in there to float around. These are marshmallows with sugar. Kind of like the ones I had in the picture. Ooh, those two green ones are looking at us now. That was accidental. I was just trying to fill up space. And one more red one for the color coordination. Alright, so I don't know if I should try with a straw. I'm going to try with a straw. I've got my pumpkin straw. Let's see if this will actually work. It does. It is just like a really soft jello. And it's got a really strong lime flavor. Very sweet. The only other thing that I had from a video previous, which you should have already seen, are these, because I thought, they kind of look like droopy worms. I was going to droop them over the side. That one does not want to droop. Bend it a little bit more. There we go. Ooh, almost poked the eyeball. These are actually quite tasty and sweet. They came in 3 colors if you want to go watch that video. I think that's good. I think that adds. And they're straws, and you can get a liquid through them, but not this liquid. All right. Now, one more sip. It is thick. Let me goop it back in the pot. All right, let me turn off the lights and check how it glows. All right, look at that. Now that's under the black light, so it's interesting. There's the bubbles in there. Let me zoom in. The bubbles that I had from when I poured that in. Now let's just see if it really glows. Not at all. So that's that. But let us scoop out an eyeball. Look at that tasty eyeball. It's looking right at me. Now that's an interesting combination. Let's do this again. I'm going to pour it back in because I like that sound. Now some of the marshmallow eyeballs will move around too. Here we go. Let us see. I think this straw's in the way. Here we go. All right. I'd say that's pretty cool. Let me go back to the light and wrap it up. All right, I am back. It took a little bit. I still need to do some cleanup here. There is a green spot right there. That is gone. There's probably a lot more I can do with this in regards to playing with it as opposed to eating it. So I thought, well, let me bring this in here. Do a little slopping of the slime. How's that? We'll call it slopping of the slime. Let me change the angle of the camera. And then I'll just scoop some in there because those sounds very interesting. Here we go. Slopping of the slime. Of the eyeball dropping. Ooh, did I just hit the camera? Sorry about that. I nudged the camera. There we go. That's better. We turn the lighting down just a little. Still not adjusting right. All right. That was a piece of something in there. I don't know what that was. I'm not sure personally I would eat too much of this. I don't necessarily like drinking slimy things. Oop, dripped on the tabletop. Oh, that sounds so unsatisfying. Let's get an eyeball. There we go. Eyeball away. Oh, let me just do 2 more. I'll do 2 more eyeballs. definitely turned into slime. So from that aspect, we're good. I had fun making the video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it. Did you enjoy said slime? Here, let me show you one more angle as it drips over the eyeballs. Did you see this at Target? Let me know. Tasty. And you know what? Thanks for watching all my Halloween videos so far. There's more to come. Thank you for relaxing and spending the time and hanging out. Leave me a comment, and I'll try and respond or give you a heart. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave!
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up!